Hi everyone, let's talk about Roblox. They are over 40% within a trading day. It's a company that develops and operates as an online entertainment platform. Financial health, by the way, 6 out of the 6. Pretty big company, 44 billion market cap. There's a lot of rewarding. It's trading 18% below the site's estimated fair valuation. Revenue is forecasted to grow almost 20% per year. Revenue already grew by 115 or actually 16% for the past year. On the risk side, earnings are forecasted to decline by an average of 2%. Currently, the company is unprofitable, not forecasted to become profitable, but that is still affecting the price. You see pretty much this candle here. It jumps from the I guess 70 to the $109 per share. Pretty big jump. And of course, important thing, significant insider selling over the past 3 months. There's competitors, Activision Blizzard as the biggest, I guess, 52 billion market cap, Electronic Arts, so EA, almost 40 billion, Take-Two Entertainment, I guess, Interactive Software, 20 billion, and Zynga, 7.8 billion. Anyway, they are shareholder returns. It's not showing 1 year because they are from the March this year. They had the IPO back then. They are currently all-time 57%. It's outbeating the US entertainment industry, also the US market, and unfortunately we don't have 5-year volatility related to the market. Founded 2004, employees 960. This is interesting. Market cap 44 billion, revenue 1.4 billion, earnings minus 381 million, and still it's rating pretty highly up. Valuation side, fair valuation based on simple Wall Street should be around $94. Tip rank showing 89. In good scenarios, 12-month forecast is looking 103. Currently, it's showing that there's downside. By the way, MarketWatch has similar price targets, average of $91 per share. And on the future growth, forecasted to decline 2%. Earnings per share growth is forecasted pretty widely, so there's a pretty open scenarios where could be the EPS going. Past performance, last year's earning growth decreased by 100%. I'm not sure what is happening here. I guess from the minus 88 million to the minus 381 million. But the good news, financial health, companies debt-free, have a huge amount of money, cash 1.7 billion, 542 million of the equity. So there's a lot of cash. Balance sheet looks green. They are not paying dividends. Insider transactions, where the sellers coming from? Individuals, companies, chief financial officer, chief business officer, controller were selling. Founder of the company sold March at $64 per share. Should be waiting for just slightly half of the year. Independent director. Wow, here's the director selling 101 millions. Mertech Capital Partners. So I guess 10th of March. What was that? 10th of March was they sold at the IPO. Right, now I get it. So they sold it back then. Once it opens the opportunity. I'm not sure is there an agreement that they could do that, because usually if there's IPO they need to wait at least some of the few months, I guess 2 months, between 2 and 3 months. But anyway, ownership breakdown. VC peer firms 36%, institutions 31%, general public 17%, insiders 13%, private companies less than 1%, top shareholders. We see actually on the both sides, Vanguard increasing significantly. By the way, director that have been selling, he owns 1 billion. So, and by the way, he increased that back in May. What was on the May? Yeah, he loaded. Why he sold here and loaded once again there? Anyway, maybe he saw the potential. Many of the companies have been increasing pretty significantly. Deutsche Asset Wealth Management, almost 60,000% added. Anyway, Simple Safe Dividends showing shares outstanding keep increasing. So they had this kind of ICO going on, five-folded the shares out to get some cash on the account. Total sales are increasing as well. That is good news. So whenever we see the shares outstanding increasing, there is important that the sales are growing as well. So if we could see decreasing of the sales, that would be affecting very harmfully for the stock. Anyway, all time 57%, and investing.com summary the stock for long-term investors as a strong buy, but be careful once it goes so high, there's a high possibilities that it could drop. Not going to dramatizing that, but we saw that kind of movement back in June when the price went from the 60 to 100, so doubles, and then it decreased. So let me show you what happened there. Not sure, but what I told from here, yeah, 56%. Anyway, then it decreased and it was the worst, yeah, 73%, and then once again increasing, so be careful. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.